Hi, this is Gopal from Vivaga Silks. Live session will start in few minutes. Due to some technical error, it took some more time. Hi, Vanakkam. This is Gopal from Vivaga Silks, Kanjipuram. Today we are going to see wedding collections Kanjipuram silk sarees. These are pure silk sarees with Corvo border, contrast color Corvo border sarees. Body has a zari work pattern and border has a Corvo contrast color. Okay, we start by seeing one by one saree. Yeah. First we see pink color with contrast purple border and pallu, Kanjipuram silk saree. You can see the body of the saree and pallu. The pallu has a zari work, fully rich pallu and floral work. You can see in detail the pallu design. Now you can see, right? And thank you for your patience. I think it took some while for connecting. And here you can see a full saree here. The body has a manga butta design, floral design, and pallu has a floral rich pallu and contrast type. In border you can see it is a 4-inch border, and you can see Banarasi work with manga butta and mail butta in a border. You can see here. I'll zoom it. Yeah, hope you can see the design of the border. You can see a entire body design in detail. And this is a blouse. You can see a breakcoat design blouse here with contrast blouse, same running blouse. This is a perfect saree for a wedding and wedding occasion, as well as for a bride. Even bride moms also can wear. not only for wedding occasion, any grand occasion you can wear it. So pure Kanjipuram silk saree. You can see here. So let's start seeing next saree. The next saree is here, dark purple with sea green contrast border with contrast pallu. So beautifully designed body as well as designed border. It's a morning evening border. Here you can see a border and a small border, and in the bottom you can see a long border, such a big border. It's a 5-inch border you can see here, and this is a 3-inch border. And here you can see a detailed design of the pallu. So well designed manga butta in a pallu, both side of the pallu, and body has floral design with contrast purple design. So gold zari, but gold zari. Yeah, here you can see a blouse of the saree, the sea green plain. If you want, you can do any work in this blouse if you want. Mostly we suggest to do a small work, not a big grand work, because small work will give a nice texture and look for this saree. It's a pure Kanjipuram and Korva border, the contrast type Korva border, pure saree, pure silk saree. It's a perfect saree for any wedding occasions, for a bride who looks fair. Definitely it will suit her. So morning evening border. Next we see second saree. For inquiries, you just give a WhatsApp, the WhatsApp number given in below. For booking or else any inquiry or else any kind of design you needed particularly, you can WhatsApp us. We will share you the picture of the sarees, not only these sarees, whatever the collections you want, whatever the designs or else color contrast you want, we will send you. And this is a third saree. So morning evening border with violet body with contrast red pallu and border. It's a morning evening border. It's a nice color combination, the trendy color combination actually. The person who look good in saree definitely will love this saree. The contrast type pallu will give you a nice texture. I think now you can see the little brighter. I think so. Here you can see a pallu design. It's a manga butta and tilakam design and manga design in a pallu. Here you can see a detailed design here. It's a nice designed pure Kanjipuram silk saree. It's all our own weaving. here the blouse of this saree. It's a red plain blouse. If you do a small ari work in this blouse, definitely it will give a nice high catchy and give a nice color contrast. So pure Kanjipuram handloom sarees. Those are handloom sarees. You can keep the sarees for up to 50 or 40 years till your lifespan. Here you can see a nice look for this saree. Yeah. And the third, we're going to see zari work Kanjipuram silk saree. It is a zari work saree. Because in this saree the weft we have kept a work is a zari work. So zari work saree. Instead of silk, we have the zari here. So nice and golden color combination, or the fire orange color combination, pure silk saree in tilagam design in the body. It has another one color combination, sea green combination in the tilagam. In the bottom of this saree, you can see a border as a retapet design. One is peacock floral design and Banarasi border, and then again peacock floral plate. It's a morning evening border. At the top of the saree you can see a Banarasi plate, simple Banarasi plate in the top. And this is a pallu. You can see a rich pallu in a fire orange golden Kanjipuram silk saree. The blouse of this saree has a brocade design, and this is also a brocade design. You can see here. So small brocade designs in a blouse. Will give you a nice grand look for brides, especially for brides on wedding evening. Color contrast, pure Kanjipuram silk saree in a fire red and golden zari. You can see a detailed design here. And now we're going to see another one color combination. So kind of pastel color with contrast pallu and contrast border here. For price and inquiries, you just give me a WhatsApp. Tilagam floral design in a body and rich manga design in a pallu and Banarasi border on a both morning evening border in here. So pure it's a plain red color blouse here with Banarasi border, the same running blouse. I look around, see a full body here, pure Kanjipuram silk here. It will give a nice attire for any bride who want give a different look. So pure Kanjipuram. For enquiries, just WhatsApp us to 9360252729. For more collections also you can WhatsApp us or else DM us in our Instagram or Facebook account. Our Instagram account is Vibhaga Silks and Facebook account is also Vibhaga Silks. And this is now we're going to see a last saree of this live session. So pure Kanjipuram silk saree with well designed saree with a purple and dark shade of purple and light shade of purple. You can see here a nice texture of the saree. The katam with butta in a katam, mail and rudraksha butta here in a pallu. Sorry, in a blouse, body. In pallu you can see a plain decent work which will give you nice attraction for the blouse, for the body. So it will give you a very nice texture, nice look for your saree. Now you can see detail design, and here the blouse of the saree has a self brocade design. It will give you nice color contrast with this saree, and if you want means you can do a small ari works or small simple ari work that will give you a very grand look for your wedding occasions. And border has a Banarasi border. The specialty of the border is which won't mess with this body design. It will give you a nice color design, bring up the body design. The design comes all over the body. You give you a nice look, and this is a pallu. The price of this saree is just WhatsApp us, and we will connect with you. For more collections also you can WhatsApp us for wedding collections, not only for wedding collections, for any fancy silk saree, traditional design, gift sarees. We have Instagram and Facebook account. You can check our daily collections on our Instagram and Facebook account. subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get daily updates. Now just enable the bell icon in your when you subscribe, so that whenever we put collections, you will receive a notification and you can watch it, new collections in the market. We are weavers actually. We weave these sarees. These are from our weaving. Any particular design you like, we can recreate for you. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe us on our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook account. Have a happy shopping. Purchase. We recommend purchase of original Kanchipuram sarees. There are many duplicates in online marketing, so that we came to online last year. Vibhaga Silks is a brand is created by a Weaver Society to reach the customer the original products. Thank you for watching us. Have a nice day. We will meet up in our next section shortly. We will announce you a date and timing, very short. Thank you for watching us.